Jufka Patrol, as promised, is back with an experiment, this time together with Kebab Bros. We're creating what might be the best jufka in Slovenia. We're adding 2 secret ingredients to boost the flavor. First, instead of using the slicer, we cut the meat by hand. That way you get those juicy, bigger pieces. Then comes secret ingredient number 1. I'm sure you can guess what it is, followed by potatoes. From the classic toppings, we go with tomato, lettuce if you like, and of course I chose onion. Next is Kebab Bros special house sauce, then another paprika sauce. And finally, secret ingredient number 2. After wrapping it all up, here's the real magic. We place the jufka under the grill for a couple of minutes. This way, the hot meat and cold toppings balance to the same temperature, making the taste richer and more delicious. The result? A jufka that, in my opinion, could easily compete for the title of the best in Slovenia. I still have a few more ideas in mind, but for now, here's a bonus. If you go to Kebab Bros and ask for the Jufka Patrol Special, Ali will make it for you. But hurry, it's only available for a limited time. Tried it already? Let me know in the comments what you think.